Video games now offer simulations of nearly every occupation, hobby, and lifestyle choice imaginable. It's no surprise that there are excellent real estate simulation games for adults. If you're looking to excel in the industry, look no further. In this video, we'll discuss the best games that teach everything from basic principles to advanced investment strategies. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something for everyone. Let's get started. What are real estate simulation games? Real estate simulation games are digital tools that immerse players in the intricacies of the housing market. While providing entertainment, these games also serve as educational resources for students keen on understanding real estate. The finest real estate simulation games offer diverse scenarios and challenges, enabling players to explore various strategies and hone their skills. How can real estate simulation games help you learn? Real estate games offer realistic learning experiences, enhancing your understanding of the market, making offers, and negotiating. They simulate real-world scenarios, allowing you to prepare in advance. Moreover, these games provide enjoyable relaxation and mental engagement, catering to diverse preferences. Find your perfect real estate game today. Best real estate simulation games. The 5 best real estate simulation games are: The Sims 4. Unleash your imagination and create a Sims world that embodies your personality. Customize every detail, from Sims to homes and beyond. Easily build and design stunning homes for your Sims using build mode. Play in dream layouts, select furnishings, and modify the environment. Add pools, basements, and gardens, or renovate with fresh ideas. Explore unique communities, travel between places, and discover captivating destinations. Expand social connections, hang out with friends, and throw incredible parties. Tap into the gallery for inspiration from a community of players like yourself. Share your creations and enhance your game with additional content. House Flipper. Live your fantasy of running a remodeling business with House Flipper, the top free simulation game. Take on the role of a one-man makeover crew and transform houses wherever you are. Execute orders, renovate, decorate, and sell homes for profit. Customize your tools with different skins. Become an interior and house designer, bringing your ideas to life. Utilize a wide range of products and paint colors to create stunning interiors. Discover multiple varieties of goods as you progress through the game. Graveyard Keeper. Graveyard Keeper is a historically inaccurate medieval game that lets you create and manage your graveyard. Expand into other businesses, discover money-saving strategies, and embrace the capitalist spirit. Put in the necessary effort to build a prosperous company. The Landlord Go. To excel as a real estate mogul, master the investment landscape. Identify lucrative properties, purchase at optimal prices, and generate profits through renting or selling. Landlord Go offers a unique perspective with an interactive 3D map showcasing real properties based on actual data. Utilizing AI and mapping technology, you can acquire real-world homes from major cities globally. Scour the streets of cities like New York or Paris for existing properties. Engage in property trading and sales with other players. Real Estate Tycoon. Real Estate Tycoon is a captivating trading game where you construct, buy, and sell properties to establish your empire. Experience 3 game modes: Career, Time Trial, and Endless. Conclusion. Real estate simulation games have gained popularity among adults as a way to learn about the housing market. They provide insights into the buying and selling process as well as various aspects of the real estate market. Thank you for joining us in exploring the best real estate games to elevate your property skills. We hope you've discovered valuable insights and strategies to excel in the industry. If you're interested in understanding why studying real estate investments is beneficial, don't forget to click on the video displayed on your screen. Happy gaming and happy investing!